Many companies treat data protection like insurance. They don't think about it until they need it. However, your company may be overlooking opportunities to reduce risk, increase ROI, and get more from data by enhancing data management for your data fabric powered by NetApp. Many companies are challenged by disjointed data management, complexity, and untapped potential. Together, Veeam and NetApp give your business peace of mind by protecting your data everywhere, whether on-premises or in the cloud, and by realizing the untapped value of your data while simplifying IT processes. Veeam and NetApp deliver orchestrated multi-cloud backup and disaster recovery and enhanced integrated NAS backup and recovery, designed to help customers effectively manage, scale, and protect their crucial assets regardless of environment or infrastructure. NetApp and Veeam provide modern data protection for the data fabric, helping your organization find the reliability and agility to harness your data and make it work for you, rather than against you. Learn more about the Veeam Alliance partnership with NetApp at vee.am/NetApp.